want to show you a great place to spot airplanes at the LAX airport. It's not what you think. Let's go. Some of you may have guessed In-N-Out Burger, but I'm actually going to try to get right up there. I think you got to be a little secretive about it though. Check this United 737 coming in from San Francisco. It's going to land on this runway. As long as I can get out there before security gets here, I think I can get it. It's getting close. I'm going to walk out there, get the shot, and then get out of here. My heart's kind of beating. Okay, it's on final. I can see it. It's only going to be 30 seconds. I think it might have been seen by a camera, so. It. That was the shot I wanted. I think that worked out. That was worth a 20-mile bike ride. Alright, now I just get out of here. Hopefully security doesn't come talk to me. I'm on my way. I'm kind of in the mood for a burger for some reason. Oh, that's cool. Did you hear that? Those are wingtip vortices that are like the spiral off the wing after an airplane flies over. Oh, that's cool. Did you hear that? Those are wingtip vortices. Okay, made it. Didn't even have to talk to security. That was fun. I don't recommend trespassing. I didn't see any signs that said no trespassing, but I think they want you to park there. So if you don't want to sneak in like that, I don't know, drive your car there and park for an hour. Okay, time for a burger. Thanks for watching. See you guys.